How to create and add data in graph in Sheets. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Sheets and then open your spreadsheet. After that, simply add your data. I will use this random dummy data here. So just for the reference, I am using this data. After that, in order to add this data in a graph, what you will have to do is first simply go to your insert and then select all these datas, then go to insert. After that, go to chart, select chart, and here go to chart type. From here, you will be able to select different graphs. So yeah, you can also customize the axis and different other things. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.